Good morning, travelers! Welcome back to AD Travel Vlogs.
ID Travel Gloves, come ride with me.
For today's adventure, we're sharing our first camping experience at the beautiful Kaishong campsite in Tanay. If you're looking for a relaxing camping destination near Metro Manila with breathtaking mountain views, cool weather, and a peaceful atmosphere, then this vlog is for you. Usually, we travel using our motorcycle during our adventures. But for this trip, we decided to bring our SUV, a Nissan X-Trail. Since we were bringing lots of camping gear, bags, tables, chairs, food, and other necessities, using the SUV was the most practical option. The travel time from Pasig to Kaishong campsite is approximately 1 to 2 hours depending on traffic conditions. So sit back, relax, and join us as we experience nature, beautiful mountain views, cold spring water, and an unforgettable overnight camping adventure. Let's go!
Travel ang kasama sa saya. Minsan pamilya, minsan ka-riders na barkada.
Kaya na tayo mamatay.
Good morning, riders! Today, we're going to camp at Ishong Campsite in Tanay, Rizal. We're not gonna use the motorcycle.
Hindi, gagamit kami na
We're going to use the SUV for this ride.
X-Trail. Yes. Let's go. Paparabili pa kami ng tubig muna. Bibili kami ng uling.
It's early morning and we're excited to begin our camping adventure. After loading our camping equipment into the SUV, we started our journey from Pasig City, heading toward Tanay, Rizal. The drive itself is already enjoyable, as we leave the busy city behind. The scenery slowly changes, from urban roads to beautiful countryside landscapes. The fresh air becomes noticeable, and the mountain views start appearing as we get closer to Tanay. One thing we love about road trips is seeing the transition from the crowded city to the peaceful province. The roads become greener, the atmosphere becomes calmer, and you can immediately feel that you're getting closer to nature. Manukan. There's no HPG. That's why they are hanging out again.
When the cat is out, the rats are all running.
Mouse will play.
Play,
Diba? Mouse will,
yes.
ano. This is the way. Rocky Road.
Rocky Road. Chocolate hot road.
Ito naman, ice cream kagad yun.
Rocky Road eh.
Naisip niya kagad ice cream.
Kaishong.
Hindi niya alam na yun eh.
Ito.
Kita yun eh. Daan.
Wasa po ba tayo Kaishong? Diretso pa. Malayo pa yan. Malayo. Dalawa yan nakalagay. Kaishong Camp 1, Camp 2. Ito yung may ginagawa noon na pinapanood ko dito. Ngayon, okay na siya. Di ba? So yun eh yung. Oh, buo na. Hindi saan kaya yung buo? Oh, buo na lahat. Okay na.
After around 1 to 2 hours of driving, we finally arrived at Kaisyong campsite. Dito pwede tayo. Kaya pa ba niya? Ang dami na nun. Kaya ba? Kaya ba? Kaya mo? The place immediately greeted us with stunning mountain views, fresh air, and relaxing greenery everywhere.
Ito ay sa'yo? Diba?
Dito? Pwede naman.
Ano daan na yan dito?
Wala naman yata naka-occupy. May naka-occupy ba? Wala yata tari.
Diba, may daan kasi yan tari. Ay, may...
Ang dami na palang campers.
Hindi. Saan si Pantay? Yes, ayun yung song ni Kuya Trado. Kitna. Pak? CR, yun lang. Ayun lang ang CR.
Ikot lang. O, dito na lang patag. The staff were very friendly and accommodating. As soon as we arrived, they welcomed us warmly and even helped us carry our luggage and camping equipment to our designated camping area. Their hospitality immediately made us feel comfortable and welcome. After checking in, it was time to set up our campsite. We unloaded all our gear from SUV and started assembling our camping setup. First, we installed our canopy to provide shade and protection. Diba? I already installed the table and chairs. And he's the one installing the canopy.
Very easy, very easy.
He's been installing it for about an hour now. Oh, look at what he's doing. You don't know what he's doing. Next, we set up our tent where we would spend the night. Then, we arrange our tables, chairs to create a comfortable outdoor living space. One of the best parts of camping is creating your own little home in nature. It takes some effort, but once everything is organized, the campsite becomes cozy and enjoyable. Unlike the heat in the city, the weather here was refreshing and comfortable. After about an hour of setting up everything, our camp was finally ready. We sat down, admired our work, and enjoyed the peaceful surroundings.
Guys, dito kami sa Kaisyong Camp Tanay. May cooking show na nagaganap dito. Dito eh. Hi ka muna daw.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Aisa. Miss Aisa.
Nag-iinit kami ng pasta.
Against the light.
Gano'ng kadami na? Dadamihan ko na.
Ikaw na bahala.
Bahala ka pag kulang ha.
Hmm.
Pwede lahat na natin.
Ayan, ready kami. Meron kami panluto. Tapos nagluto siya ng tawag dyan?
Pesto.
Pesto. Wow, sarap. Initin na lang. Pasensyahan nyo lang kuha
Yan
ko.
na.
Hindi ganun lakas.
Malanggam.
Daya mo na. Ano yun? Flavor. May langgam flavor yun. Okay. Sabi ko nga, tutuwa ko kayang konti. Ito gamit namin. Naka-blagbag pang gamit namin. Ito yung tent namin. Okay. Ayan o. Ito yung tent namin. Meron siyang nabunggo ako sa pool namin. So yun, setup namin. First time namin binuo yan. Pero so we're okay naman. Libre light.
Namin ito.
Yan ang namin. Ang tag doon? Merienda.
Ganito pala feeling ng camping.
Oo,
Mauubos
nga
yung
eh.
oras mo sa pagtitim, pagluluto.
Oo nga. First time.
Experience.
There's always a first time. Ito naman na meron na kaming setup. Kami nakapwesto. Okay ka, Mama Tar?
Mamaya si
Okay.
Papa Tat pag-iihawin ko siya doon mag-iihaw.
Patay. Okay, see you again. Mamaya. Bye-bye, Mama Tar. Bye.
Kain na tayo. Ito lusong natin na.
Nag-iiyaw si Mama Tar. Mama Tar, hilo ka muna.
Ako ang taga-ihaw ngayon
Siya ang taga-ihaw.
for our dinner.
Ako taga-kain.
Lempo. Ito yung food namin.
Ipad namin.
Yung inihaw.
Inihaw, may juice.
Tapos juice. Tapos may sabor.
Hardy travel gloves, come ride with me through the mountains, roads, and sea. Morning breeze and an open road, four wheels rolling, engines glow, palm trees dancing by the shore. Every mile makes us one more.
After resting and eating, it was time to explore the area. One of the first things we noticed was how beautiful and well-maintained the campsite was. There were colorful flowers, lush green plants, and plenty of open spaces where visitors could relax and enjoy nature. Every direction offered a different scenic view. The mountains looked majestic and endless. The green landscape stretched across the horizon, creating a calming and relaxing environment. The cool wind continuously blew across the campsite. It wasn't just refreshing, it was incredibly relaxing. Sometimes, all you need is to sit quietly, enjoy the fresh air, and appreciate nature's beauty. The greenery around us seemed to instantly reduce stress and calm the mind. It was one of those places where you can truly disconnect from daily worries. One of the highlights of Kaishong campsite is definitely the view. From various points around the campsite, you can see a panoramic view of natures. On a clear day, you can even see parts of Laguna Lake in the distance. The combination of mountains, forests, and the lake creates a stunning landscape. As the afternoon progressed, the sunlight slowly changed the colors of the mountains. The scenery became even more beautiful during golden hour. Good morning, everyone! We woke up to cool weather and beautiful mountain views. Dapat pala meron tayong tubig na hugasan na dito para hindi tayo lalagi-lagi. Kaya pala iba, meron na silang hugasan.
Ito. Nag-camping kami ni Mama Tar dito sa Tanay sa Kaishong Campsite 1. So, yun. Ayun, guess namin na yun, si Milo. Milo ba pangalan?
Milo.
Ayan, nakadamit pa siya.
Nagka-camping kami, ang sarap mag-camping. Nagko-kapilit si Papa
Dahil sila nag-swimming.
Oo. Ganda kasi.
Mag-ano na ako ng sunblock.
Okay. So, swimming daw kami. Swimming pool dito eh.
After breakfast, we headed to one of the campsite's main attractions, the man-made pool. What makes this pool special is its cold natural spring water. The water is incredibly refreshing and perfect for hot days. The pool area is surrounded by beautiful mountain scenery,
Ayun na, masarap na. Ayun na, masarap na siya. Visit ka. 1, 2, 3.
Making it a very relaxing place to spend time. Swimming while enjoying mountain views is definitely a unique experience. The peaceful environment makes you want to stay longer. Whether you're swimming, sitting beside the pool, or simply enjoying the scenery, it's a wonderful place to relax.
with the people by our side.
Coffee mornings with the mountain view, laughing loud with the whole crew.
Hot spring nights under silver stars.
Campfire stories near and far.
Ride with 80, travel blessed. Come along and feel the breeze through the islands of the Philippines, from the mountains to the sea. Ride with 80, travel blessed, where the ocean meets the sky, through the mountains and the highways, with the people.
1, 2, 3.
Sarap daw. Sarap. Kaya pa. Tapos hindi ganun ka-crowded. Yung konti na ang tao. No?
Oo.
Hindi siya tauhin talaga na ano, no? Kung di ka camper, talaga di mo madidiscover to. No? Pag camper ka, madidiscover mo to. Kami kasi, naghanap lang kami through YouTube, Facebook, ganyan. Ang natagpuan namin yung fit sa amin. Budget-wise, yung road na dadaanan, hindi ka nang mabundok o yung
Papatay,
mahirap.
nakapagpalipad ka rin pati yung mountain.
Yes, meron yan.
Nag-drone.
After spending time at the pool, we continued exploring the campsite. As our camping trip was coming to an end, we realized we weren't ready to leave yet. The peaceful atmosphere, cool weather, and beautiful scenery made us want to stay longer. Fortunately, we were able to extend our stay by a few more hours. This gave us additional time to relax, enjoy the view, take photos, and make the most of our camping experience. Sometimes, the best trips are the ones you wish could last a little longer. Overall, our first camping experience at Kaisyong campsite was absolutely worth it. From the beautiful mountain views, cold spring water pool, relaxing atmosphere, friendly staff, and comfortable facilities. Everything contributed to an enjoyable and memorable trip. If you're looking for a quick camping getaway near Metro Manila, this is definitely a destination worth considering.
Papi! May papi dito. Papi! Papi! May papi tayo siya, ha? Binigyan ko siya ng food. Ang bait niya, oh.
Kanina yan sa...
Hindi ko, baka dito yan. Ang bait, eh, oh. Napahawak siya. Binigyan ko siya ng food.
Ano binigay mo?
Yung chicken na, ay, ano pala, yung pork.
There are several areas where visitors can take photos with spectacular mountain backgrounds. Every viewpoint offer something different. Some overlook rolling hills, others showcase wide mountain landscapes. The natural beauty of the area makes every photo look amazing. For bloggers, photographers, and social media enthusiasts, you'll definitely have plenty of opportunities to capture beautiful content here. Hello, we're here at Kaishong Camp 1.
Okay.
We're in the view deck
Sabi
right
ko,
now.
Yes.
Yes, and then
Tapos talikod ko
this is the view. You
View
can
natin.
see the view, the mountain view from the view deck.
Wow.
You can also see the pool.
Full side.
It's a natural water. Natural spring water.
Ayun, ganun. Yan.
Breathtaking view from
Breathtaking
Kaishong.
From Kaishong Camp. Okay na kami.
And now we're going down.
We going to. And we going home.
And we're going home. This is our last stop for today.
Oh, sarap dito, taro. Na?
Oh, we extended 3 hours for this trip.
3 hours, parang sa ano lang, ano?
So we can experience the pool area.
Yes. Parang di rin kami nagmamadali. Kasi susulitin namin yung punta namin dito. Sayang. Minsan lang to eh. Ulitin natin ito mamatan.
Yes.
Yes!
Grabe.
Absolutely. Ang ganda rito. Mura pa.
Kaishong.
Guys, yung one of the best
Campsite.
campsite.
It's a mountain view and then you have the pool. You have the camping. Everything.
Kompleto na.
Nature.
Kompleto na siya.
Wow.
Complete package.
And then the budget.
See?
Wow.
Oh.
Because it's not expensive.
Yeah. It's nice.
The budget is not expensive.
Oh.
It's just like 600 pesos for overnight stay if you are going to do the tent pitch.
Wow. Diba?
Yes. And then if you extend like we did, 3 hours is 50 pesos for 3 hours. No.
Grabe, no? Mura lang, no? 50 pesos lang, no?
Cheap.
So cheap.
But the view and the experience, very beautiful.
Like you. They cannot.
And dogs are allowed here.
Yeah.
You can bring your dogs.
Yes.
Outside.
Yes. Sa hindi lang namin dala namin yung aming cute dogs.
Spotty and creamy.
Kaya nga eh.
Because they are noisy.
Yeah.
Too noisy.
Very noisy. We tried on playground. Not too much loud. That's the sound. Spotty and creamy. Okay, we gotta go na. Thank you, Kaishong. Thank you,
Thank you,
Kaishong.
Kaishong, for
for
this
this.
beautiful campsite.
Yeah, napakaganda. Ako na? Ako?
Ikaw na.
Sige, ingat ka ha. Kapit lang.
Kapit.
May bakal naman sa likod eh, sa ilalim niya. Kaya kapit lang. Ito ang challenging dito. Yeah. We're going home na rin.
Pack up.
Tandaan dito, Tara. Mano ka naman pala umakit, Tari? Okay ka naman pala umakit-akit eh.
Meron akong heights na sobrang yung nakakatakot.
Naakay mo ng ganon.
Pero yung ganito naman, kaya ko na.
Kasi hindi naman ganon karis eh. Baba lang naman eh, no?
Yung sahong, takot na takot ako. Kasi sobrang ano yun eh, yung sa ano yun?
Sobrang tarik.
Sobrang tarik yung sahong ko. Nasa taas ko yun.
Ayan siya. Anong sabi ng baby goma sa mother niya na goma na nasa itaas? Sabi ng bata, goma.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
You can rent an A-shaped hut for 2,000 pesos overnight.
Wow.
And then they have their own view deck.
Wow, sa
So
view
you
deck.
can enjoy the view outside.
Ito na yung other, oh, 'di ba? Yan.
This is the other Nipa hut.
Meron silang balcony, oh, ang ganda ng balcony sa likod.
Yes.
Okay.
You have your own mountain view.
Yes.
2,000 pesos. They have a curfew, Papa Car.
Ano nakalagay?
They have curfew.
Curfew.
Curfew hour, 11 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Para sa 3P hot. Ah.
TP hut.
But-
Camping gear inside the Kaishong camp.
Okay.
So, if you don't have chairs, tables, camping tent,
Mhm.
charging station, phone charging station,
Lutuan din doon.
and then you
Ah.
can wash the dirty dishes here, and then you can bring your own charcoal so you can build your meat. The parking area. The parking area.
Okay. Yan yung entrance. No.
The entrance and then the parking area. This is for 500 pesos.
Wow, 500 yan na, no? Oh, di ba 500 lang? Yan na. Okay.
We have the kitchen here.
Kitchen here. Okay, the tent. Wow.
And this is our view. May mga ganun-ganun. May ganun-ganun pa si Papa Ta.
Okay lang yun. It's okay, kasama yan. Sige po. Dito kami sa Kaisyong, sa Camp 1. Bali si Kuya. Kuya pangalan? August. Siya yung anak na may-ari.
Anak ko.
Ayun, yun po. Siya rin na mamahala dito. Okay.
Tapos po yung Camp 2, kapatid din po yun.
Mga kapatid.
Tapos si extension ay pamangkin lang po.
Pamangkin. Okay.
Kaya po mga negosyo.
Yun. Yes, bisita kayo dito. Maganda rito. Matahimik. Ha? Mga nanonood sa amin.
Followers.
Mga followers sa amin. Kayo na bahala. Pakita namin yung ganda ng
Ito
lugar
po
na
kayo
to.
sa Kaisyong campsite.
Yes. Apo.
Overlooking, tanong po nyo ang Laguna Lake.
Yan.
Kita po nyo City Light.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you po Paulitin po. Maraming salamat kuya.
Thank you.
Thank you kuya. Ay, natapos na kami.
We're done. We're going home.
Nag-enjoy ka mamatar?
We enjoy our stay at Kaishong.
Yes,
Campsite.
first time namin pero grabe, nag-enjoy kami ng todo.
For those planning to visit, here's our approximate budget. Gas, 1,500. Food, 1,500. Overnight camping fee and extension, 600. Estimated budget, 3,600. Of course, your expenses may vary depending on number of people, food preferences, and camping setup. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this camping vlog, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow us for more motorcycle adventures, road trips, camping experiences, travel destinations, honest reviews, and outdoor explorations. This is AD Travel Vlogs. See you in our next adventure. Ride safe, travel more, and create unforgettable memories.
Sa kalsada ng Pinas kami naglalakbay.
Ayan, 1, 2, 3.
See you again on our next trip here on AD Travel Vlogs.
Ulit, sabay. Ano ulit? See you again.
On our next trip here on AD Travel Vlogs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
See you
again
again on our next trip here on AD
Travel
Travel
Vlogs.
Vlogs. Nakakainis ka naman.
Sa motor